Here's a few things I feel are important for you to consider as you prepare and practice these excerpts. First, this term dolce at the beginning of the andante excerpt means sweet or gentle. So things like your tone, sound, and phrasing should represent those two qualities. Along with this, make sure you practice more lyrical playing so you can understand how to use your airstream properly. This will help you to play more musically and sing through your instrument. With the technical etude, keep your staccatos bouncy and exciting, not short and clipped. It's important to allow the tongue to glide along with the airstream and not interrupt it abruptly. Although this is a technical etude and should be played at a consistent tempo, don't forget to play musically and enjoy what you're doing. Well, I hope this video helps you in your preparation for these etudes. Good luck and thanks for watching.